guys, welcome to my channel Tech Bulletin Prime. I am Rajnikant. In today's video we're gonna see what is Git reset and what exactly Git reset can do, right? So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. So let's begin. So Git reset, right? So suppose you are developing your application and you have committed some files, right? You have committed some files to your local repository, but again you realize that no, that commit should not be there in that local repository. So you want to remove that commit from that local repository, or you want to delete that commit from that local repository, right? So how we can do that one? By simple typing a git reset command, right? So that it enables to reset your index. So your index means whatever that local repo is there. From that local repo, if you want to delete something, delete some commit, then you can use git reset command, right? So here three modes of reset is there. One is soft reset, and another is hard reset, and another is mixed reset, right? So let's see what is soft reset. So soft reset means it will reset the index but not change the working directory and stage. So what exactly this means? Let's see. So suppose you have committed some files. Suppose you have committed 3 files to your local repo with this commit ID, right? So this is the commit ID W775 something, that commit ID, and with this commit you have committed 3 files, right? Suppose you want to soft reset for this one. You want to soft reset this commit, right? So what will happen with this soft reset? So what will happen? It will delete that commit, right? So this commit will be removed. This commit will be removed from that local repository, and all your files, these 3 files, it will come to staging area, right? Suppose those 3 files are there. So those 3 files, it will come to staging area, right? So if you put a after a soft reset, if you put git status, then you can see those files are under staging area, right? So this is one way of resetting. So here that commit will be removed. So let's see this first command. So here is the git demo folder, the sample application. To demonstrate that git commands, let me open the git bash, git status, to check anything. Okay, our working directory is clean. So let me change some files here to demonstrate. Demo I have changed. Node.js file also I have changed. Okay, let's save. Now let's hit git status. So you can see two modified files are there. So they need to be indexed or they need to be staged, right? So let me stage those things. Git add dot added. Let me clear git commit -m git reset reset example, git soft reset example. This is the commit message. So let's hit enter. It's got committed. Let me check with git log. So you can see git soft reset example. Recently we have committed this one, right? So you want to revert this one, you want to delete this commit, right? So let's hit that Control Q, sorry Q, wait, let's hit git reset hyphen hyphen soft. Suppose from that index you want only this top commit. So this is head indicates, right? This is head. So you want to delete only this top commit. So you can just see here it's indicating head, right? So your head is pointing now to master branch with this commit, right? So git reset head, sorry, this symbol, then 1. This indicates this fast commit. If you want to remove these two commits, first and second, then you can put here 2. If 3 commit, put 3. So let's put only 1. So it will remove git soft reset example. It will remove this commit. So let's hit this one. So git reset soft I have done. It's executed. Let me put git log to check whether we have removed that commit or not. Git log. So just see new file added by Rajnikant. This is the last commit. But earlier it was git soft reset example, right? New file added by Rajnikant. On top of that one, git soft reset example was there. But here, just see that commit got removed, right? This is one thing. And those files will be there in staging area, right? Let me check git status. So just see already those files, whatever those committed files, will be there in staging area, right? So you can see this green color text, so it's already in staging area. So we have covered this command. Let's move to that next command. This is soft, means it will remove that commit from your local repository and it will stage those changes into the staging area, right? So now next is hard reset. So hard reset is very dangerous, so everything you will be lost, right? So make sure if you are doing some hard reset, means make sure those codes are, I mean those codes are no use, or you want to completely remove, because in your working directory also those will not be available. It will delete that commit from your local repository and all those changes will be removed from your working directory as well, right? So if you have typed some around 1000 lines of code or 100 lines of code and you are doing a hard reset, means god knows, right, everything will be went out. So be careful while doing some hard reset. So let's see this one. So already those are staged, so let me commit this one. Git commit hard reset example example. Okay, so I have committed. Sorry, what it is showing, sorry, I have removed hyphen m. Commit hyphen m hard reset example example commit. I have committed. So let me check git log. So you can see hard reset example commit, it's committed. Quit this one. Now let's do a hard reset, right? So let me go to this folder. So node.js, here we have added this line, right? So this line is there. If you do a hard reset, this entire line will be removed. And in sample we have added some one more line, it seems, right? So if you do a hard reset, this will also remove that entire code. So let's do a hard reset. Git reset hyphen hyphen hard head, sorry, head symbol and 1, the top commit we want, right? This commit hard reset example commit, this will remove. Hard reset, let's do a hard reset. Head is now somewhere here, file added by Rajnikant, right? So let's check git log. You can see that earlier commit got removed. Hard reset example commit, from here it got removed, right? So let's check those files as well. So in Node.js, just see it's empty, right? Those changes are removed. And sample, it's loading. The file has been modified, it will load, right? Let's load. That line got removed, right? So this is a dangerous command. So if you are sure that you want to remove everything from your local, working directory as well as from local repo, then you can hit git hard reset. But think twice before doing a hard reset. So second one we have covered. So let's go to third one. So it's a mixed mode, right? So mixed means what it will do, it will remove that commit from your local repository, but it will keep those things in working directory, right? So it will not stage those files, but it will keep those things to your working directory, right? But that commit will be removed from your local repository. So this is very safe mixed mode, and this is by default, right? Suppose you are hitting git reset some head 1, means by default it will be mixed mode, right? So let's see this command. Let me open my folder here. Sorry, let's close this one. Git status, nothing to commit, working tree is clean. Let's modify something. Node.js, hey, welcome to hey Node.js developer. Okay, save this one. Let's commit this one. Git add, git commit -m mixed reset. It's added. Let me check with git log. So you can see mixed reset example, right? So it's got added. Let me quit this one. So let's do a git reset -m mixed. So it's a default one, you no need to provide also mixed, right? It's a default one, git reset head 1. So it's right. So let me check with git log. So you can see that first log is new file added by Rajnikant, but mixed reset example it's got removed, right? So let me quit. So git status. So just see this node.js.txt, it's got modified, right? And it's not staged, right? So let me check here. Those messages already there. That message is not removed, right? In hard reset it will remove, but in mixed one it will not remove. Those changes will be available in your working directory, but those commits will be removed from your local repository. So this is the entire thing about reset, soft, hard and mixed. So if this video is helpful to you, please do subscribe my channel and save this video. Thank you.